Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell ebooks on Gumroad. The first thing you will need to do is go onto gumroad.com and you can sign up for completely free. All you'll need is your email address, or you can sign up using Twitter, Facebook, or other social media platforms. To sign up, you'll simply tap on sign up in the right hand column right where you see dashboard on my screen. Once you have done that and you have verified, for example, your email address by simply entering the code that they will provide you with. And by the way, with Gumroad, as I said earlier, it is completely free. The only thing that they charge is a 10% flat fee for each item that you sell. Once you have signed up to Gumroad, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Now to add your ebook, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on products. After tapping on products, you're going to tap on new product in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on new product, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. On this dashboard, you're going to name your ebook. So for example, I will name mine ebook. Once you have added the name of your ebook, you're going to tap on ebook. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to set the price for your ebook. Let's say I would like to sell my ebook for $5. I'm going to type in $5 right there. By the way, you can also change the currency if you want by tapping on the dollar sign, and you could select the currency that you want. After doing this, you are going to scroll back up and you are going to tap on customize in the top right hand corner. Once on customize, you'll be able to add your ebook cover. Now, a platform that I would recommend that you try out to create some stunning ebook covers if you're a beginner like myself here, you could simply go onto canva.com, sign up again for completely free. Then you are going to type in the search bar ebooks cover. After you have done that, you will be led to this page, and from here you can see numerous cover templates that you could use. So let's say, for example, I want to use this ebook cover. I could simply tap on it. Then you could tap on customize this template. Once you have tapped on customize this template, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you will be able to edit the current ebook cover. So you could go over to the left hand menu option, and in the left hand menu option, you can either select to upload a photo that you would like to use as your ebook cover, or you can tap on elements, and from there you can search for other covers that you could use. So let's say, for example, instead of the original cover right here, I want to use something else. I could simply tap on search in elements and I could type in fruits. So let's say fruits and vegetables. After I've done that, you will see different photos and I'll tap on see all. After you have done that, you can scroll down, and by the way, any one of the photos or templates that you see that says pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular image. Now, all I'll need to do once I found an image that I like, I can simply drag and place it. Then I can right click on it and tap as replace background, and you can see it right there. And you can also edit the text if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download. Then you'll tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Gumroad and you're going to simply add your new ebook cover. So let us do that real quick. We can scroll down and you will see cover, and you're going to tap on upload images, tap on computer files, and you're going to search for the ebook cover that you have created. Then tap on open, and you can see a preview of the ebook cover on the right hand corner, as you can see right here. Now you can also scroll down and you can also edit the call to action, meaning the button that your potential customers will see and click on to purchase your ebook. you have three options. You can either leave it as I want this, buy this, or pay. You can select any option you want. Then you're going to scroll down. If you would like to add a quick summary, you can do that. If you would like to add the amount of pages that are in your ebook, you can type that right there. And if you would like to add additional information, you could tap on add details and you could add the information right there. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to scroll down and you can see the price. You can change the price if you want. And if you want to offer your book in different versions, you can tap on add version and you could do that. And you also have some other setting options that you can edit right here. For example, you can limit the amount of times a customer can purchase your ebook, and you can also choose whether you'd like to publicly show the number of sales on your product page. After doing that, you're going to tap on content, and here is where we're going to add our ebook. Now, to add your ebook, it's quite easy. And again, I would recommend that you use Canva to create your ebook if you haven't already. So you could simply go onto Canva, type in the search bar ebook right here. So you could simply type in ebook multiple pages, or you could type in ebook pages, and you're going to see templates of ebooks that you could use, as you can see right here. Now all you'll need to do is tap on the one that you would like to use. After you have selected it, you're going to tap on customize this template. Once you have tapped on customize this template, from here you can choose whether you'd like to delete or you'd like to use this as your ebook cover. Since I already have an ebook cover, I'm going to delete that page, and you can see the other pages right here. Now to edit a page, and by the way, if this is kind of small, if you like to zoom in to make it easier to edit, you can tap right where you see 42% in the bottom right hand corner. Then let's say we were to carry it up to 75%. Now this is a lot better. Now to edit it, you can simply tap on any section you'd like to change. So you can tap right here and you could upload photos by tapping on uploads, or you could select elements to add photos. It is quite easy to edit any page on Canva. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download, and you're going to tap on download all pages. After you have downloaded it, you're going to go back into your Gumroad dashboard, and I want you to tap on this icon right beside the bird that says insert file, and you're going to tap on computer files. After selecting computer files, you're going to see your download from Canva, and you're going to select it, then tap on open. Once you have done that, you can see the zip file right here. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish and continue in the top right hand corner. After tapping on publish and continue, your ebook is now live. To share it, you could tap on copy URL, and from there you'll be able to promote your ebook, for example, in your Instagram bio or any social media platform you want. To get a preview of how it looks, you could select preview. Then you can see the sales page right here, or the landing page. So the first thing they will see is your ebook cover, and you can see there's a call to action in the top right hand corner and a call to action in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see the number of pages as I had entered that, and they will also see the size of the ebook. Once they tap on I want this, they will be redirected to this page, and on this page all they'll need to do is simply fill in their name and so on, and then they can continue to pay. But before doing that, you will need to add your payment options that you like to offer. And to do that, once on the dashboard again, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on payouts, then you're going to tap on settings in the top right hand corner. Once on settings, what I want you to do is You're going to verify the country that you're in, so you're going to enter the country name. Also, you're going to tap on the box that asks if you have a current government passport or better yet ID. Then you can choose whether you'd like to offer PayPal or Stripe. I would recommend that you set up both payment methods. But the only pullback when it comes onto PayPal is Gumroad will take their 10% fee, plus they will also charge an additional 2.9% plus 30 cents for PayPal fee. But if you like to add PayPal, you can enter your PayPal email, select the account type, and fill in the basic information like your address and so on. But with Stripe, they won't charge any additional fee except the 10%. And all you'll need to do is tap on Connect with Stripe. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.